balance, equity, margin, free margin, margin level. Now I will love us to look at the parameters for you to trade Forex, right? So that you understand what you are doing and what is going on over here, right? When you are buying units and you are selling units. And you are selling them via what? Via lot size. Meaning that you are selling them, you are selling and buying them via what? Via a volume. Now, let me explain here. We have this chart over here. It depends, it doesn't matter what asset are you going to be trading. All right, in this case, let's say you're trading what? You are trading USD chef, you are trading what? You are trading USD JPY, or in this case, you are trading US dollar versus rand. Now, on the US dollar versus rand, you're gonna go to what? You're gonna go to properties. This is where you're gonna see the parameters of for you to trade and understand what's going on over here or what you're doing, and then make a good decision. Now, when you go to parameters, what you're going to see something like this. What we have here under properties, on top here we have USD versus ZAR, which is US dollar versus rand. Now we have what? We have sector. Sector is what? Is currency. This is currencies, all right? Currency pair, because there are two. Digits are 5. The digits simply means that the asset that we're going to be trading here, it has 5 numbers after the comma. So in this case here, you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 digits. There are 5 numbers after the comma, and it's very important to understand that price. Now, this is the 5 digits that I'm talking about. Contract size is 100,000. Contract size is going to show you the margin, the money that's needed for you to trade, also the money that you're going to make. All right, now we jump along from that. I want to show you that on the margin level, on the margin currency here, the margin currency is in USD, because we are trading what? We are trading US dollars. So this is US dollar and this is ZAR. So profit is going to be what? It's going to be in ZAR. Money that is going to be needed is going to be what? It's going to be in US dollars. So here we have what? We have profit currency. Profit currency simply means that is the money that you're going to profit is going to be in ZAR. However, this money is going to be what? It's going to be converted based on the account that you're going to be using. In this case, if you are using an account to buy and sell, such as the account that I showed you of that one, that has a dollar here, you can see it has what? It has a dollar. This is the dollar account. So this is the account, the money is going to be converted. So now if you decide to buy and sell, the money is going to be what? Is going to be converted to what? To a dollar, the account base that you're using. So this is what we call account base. Now, looking at spread it means that the spread that you're going to be paying, the fee, trading fees, this is under trading fees that you're going to be paying. You're going to be paying them here. You can see that we have what? We have 114.39. This is in point. This is in point. All right, so if you say 0.01, if you're using 0.01 times this points, you're going to see how much money you're going to pay for opening a trade. Right now, all right, we move along to what? To Forex. Calculations is what is under Forex. And then we have what? The most important part here. This is the code for, this is the program for running trades in what? The orders. If you're going to be buying limits, selling limits, sell stop, buy stop, sell stop, all those things, you're going to be what? Using them. Trade is full access. Instead execution. The execution, when you're trading, when you tap on chats, when you tap on here, you see that you have new order. When you click on new order, you will see that we have buy and sell, and then you will see on top there you have market, execution, or instant market. This is the program. All right, now this is GTC mode. This is good till cancel, meaning that an order is good until you cancel it. Fill or kill policy, meaning that the order must be filled or killed if it actually have not reached that price. Maybe say you're trading the news fundamental, then if the price is not triggered wherever you put a pending order, then it's going to be what? It's going to be killed or not opened, or open any different new price. All right, expiration, this is the same thing as I was explaining. The most important part that I want to explain here is you understanding the minimum volume and the maximum volume of 0.01 and 500. This is most important. All right, now when you're looking here, we have everything that we need to understand. All right, we have everything that we need to understand. All right, we move along to understanding what? Understanding the other part here of minimum volume. This is the most important part. And now we have what? We have this, the most important part that you have to pay attention into. Your charge swap. If you go long, if you go with the buy, your charge swap. If you go with the sell, You are charged what? Short. You are charged what? You are paid. This is money that you're going to be paid in points. You can change this one by what? Using the lot size that you're going to use and times by this one. So you're going to be profiting, I think it's 0.93. It's going to be in dollars because you are actually using what? Dollars. So now on this one, you're going to be actually charged what? If you say 0.01 times 192, I think it's going to be 1.9. All right, so these are the calculations that they're going to charge you. So meaning that they're going to charge you $1.90, just like when you have deposited money in your account. So they're going to pay you interest for you not withdrawing that money. All right, under the swap, they have what? We have Monday, we have Tuesday, we have Wednesday, we have Tuesday. On Wednesday, they're going to charge you 3 times. This is what you have to know. These are the parameters for you to actually understand what's going on with trading. All right, now there's more into me I want to explain, and maybe time is not on my side. So with that in mind, I don't want to waste my time here explaining a lot of things, but then there are more calculations here that needs to be done in order for you to understand what's going on, such as the margin level. You need to have some calculations and understand what is going over here. So when you're counting the 100,000, you count it based on what? Based on understanding the margin that is going to be what is going to be needed. And then when you count profit, you're going to count it based on what? Based on ZAR. And the only profit that you need to convert in order for you to actually have what? Have US dollar. If you don't have a US dollar account, maybe you have a GBP account, or you have a euro account, then you need to convert this money to euro. The parameters here will show you. With the other platforms, it's not that simple, such as TradingView, such as CTrader. Though you might actually have the very same thing that are there, everything's like this. It's going to be like this. Every requirement that is going to be there is going to be applying to the very same thing that I'm showing you here. So I believe you will understand what's going over here, and then that's all that you have to know and understand what's going over here. I believe you will understand, and if you have some questions, please feel free to ask me. And also, I might have left this one off. Stop out level, it's 0. The stop out level is 0 because of you're trading with an account which is ECN. This is an account of ECN. And as you can see here, we have 100,000 hedge. So meaning that if you hedge a position here, you're not going to see any margin. You're not going to see any money needed. You're not going to see any money needed. So here, there are more calculations that need to be done so that you can get an understanding in deeper level what's going on over here. So I'm just going to make another part 2 video or lesson so that you can understand.